How to change language in Zoom call. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the default language in your Zoom call. Let's dive right in. Open up your browser, head over to the Zoom website, make sure that you're logged in, then go to your profile in the top right corner, click on my account, and then scroll down. You can see language, you can see edit beside it, click on it, and then tap on the drop down and choose the language of your choice. Just tap on it and then hit save. So there you go. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.